Alrighty then, we are going to do some division with avec remainders, hopefully, as we got sidetracked the other day. So if you're wanting to follow along, we are on page 302, pretty much at the back of the book in math. So I'm going to switch this around. A couple of things that we kind of need to remember. And I'm just gonna grab some stuff. How you doing? Hopefully everything is good. There's your classroom, all empty inside. And I need one of these, how to do long division. So you can see that right here. And then I want another one of these. So if you want one of these packages for the summer, this is going to take us through the essentials. Now this is kind of the essentials with our math. This is the end of it. And then we're going to do review. So we'll do some review once we do this lesson. And this was another my bad, because I didn't follow up with division with remainders, but I'll do that today, and so forth. So I'm going to switch it over to this side. It says division with remainders. This kind of gets people a little bit hooked sometimes. Here's how to share 17 pairs equally among 55 boxes, and just like the lobster, 17 pairs equally among 5 boxes, so 17 divided by 5. So, as you can see here, I'll just show you how or what they started with. So 17, so we put up our number here and go 17. Ooh, look at that. A dud. One more dud. What do we do with that dud? Nobody in the room's. Woo! Throw. Are you serious? I think I sank that. I did too. Look where that garbage can is. That's unbelievable. Like, that's quite a shot. Like, unbelievable shot. But the funny thing is that I didn't even think the garbage can was there. What an unbelievable shot. All right. Things are going good today here. Okay, so we'll go with 17. 17 divided by... A fun way to do it is put the little circles. Do you see that? And then divide it by 5. Equals. There's our equation. Big number always goes first, okay? Or the big number always goes in the, the division box, okay? And as you can see there, so what they did, first of all, they had among equal boxes, so 5 boxes. So 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, 5 boxes. And they said pairs, and we're gonna put P's in here. So P, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16, 17. And why did I put them out there? Because they will not, those 2 pairs won't divide equally among the 5 groups. Okay, so right now you have 5 equal groups of 3 pairs in each box. Okay, because you had 17 in the beginning, as you can see here. And then put 3 pairs in each box. There are 2 pairs left over, right? 17 divided by 5 is 3, with remainder 2, so R2. Okay, so it's 3. I always put it up like that. 3, and then R2. Okay, so we do it over here. 5 cannot go into 1. right? So we go back to this. So it says, the first thing we do is to change the problem as it is written. The first math step is to look at the first number of the guy we are dividing into. That is 6. This is the division step. So 6 is that question, right? But this question is 5. So 5 will not go into 1. So we put our 0, okay? We put our 0 there. Then we remember that it is dead, so division, that won't divide. Division, dead monkeys smell bad. Now, there's the first step. So our first step is to basically say, oh, 5 will not go into 1. You can't divide 1 into 5 groups. So 5 times 1, or multiplied 5, multiplied by 0 is 0. Then we go to the subtraction, and 1 take away 0 is 1, and then our bring down. So we bring down our 17. So 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, 5 times 2 is 10. Let's see, 10, 5, 15, no, another 5 there. So 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And then subtract, right? So now we do our, how many times will 5 go into 7? Yep, it'll go in, or 17, sorry. It'll go in 3 times, and then 5 times 3 is 15. Then we do the subtraction. 17 take away 5 is 2. All right. That's pretty much division with remainders. Just adding that next step where you will not have the happy face. Remember the happy face with long division that is without remainders? And then you had the happy face right there. So the answer was 0 at the end. There was no remainders in that question. On this first how to do long division, we did that one before, and then division with remainders. And this is some examples with that. And then what I wanted you to do was to do the practice questions here. So I'll just hold that. If you don't have a pencil, you can just, I'll take a couple minutes here just so that use arrays when they help. So basically, write a division question for this one. So as you can see there, you have 1, 2, let me count them together with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I know that there's groups of 3, groups of 4. 3 4s are 12, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 4 is 12. No, that won't work. 3 times 6, sorry. 3 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 3 groups of 6. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 groups of 6. Or 4. 6 groups of 3, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 group of 6. 2 groups of 6. 3 groups of 6. 3 groups of 6 is 18. And then 6 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of 3 is 18. And then you have the one little bitty one left over. That'll be a remainder of 1. Divide. Draw an array, so you're just kind of reversing that. Caleb is putting markers into his package. Good. It says each package holds 8 markers. 43 divided by 8, and then figure that out. 8 times 5 is 40. You'll have 3 left over. So 5 markers, 5 packages. 5 packs of 8 plus the 3 that are remaining over. You can give those away. Then I want you to do 304, page 304. You can do every second one on that page. on page 304. And that's that. I'll come back with another kind of assignment for next week. This is kind of last week's assignment, so hope you are all safe and whoops, let's flip it around. And what's this one? Be safe, or see you soon, or something like that, eh? And bzz, and be safe. See you soon. There we go. See you soon. Bye for now.